Hey everybody, I don't mean to come at everybody with some bad news tonight, but we are losing 2 machines and gaining 1 new machine. So the machine that we're losing this year is the CRF 150R. Now, I don't know how many of you guys out there own this bike, but I can tell you firsthand that I almost never get them allocated to me from Honda in my dealership. And so it's not that big of a loss for me because I don't really see them anyway. Now, I don't know all the other companies that have 150s right now. I don't want to tell you, hey, go out and buy this bike if you want a 150cc, because I don't know how many other companies are going to continue to make the 150cc, and I don't want to give you guys information that I don't have. But I do have verification from Honda that this year is the last year that they're manufacturing the CRF 150R. So 2026 is going to be the last year. Now, if you're not doing class-specific racing and you don't need a 150cc to do so, there are other options. Equivalent horsepower is going to be that 2026 YZ85. They're both coming in around 23.5 horsepower, the YZ being a 2-stroke, where the 150R was a 4-stroke. The 150 is going to be heavier than the YZ85. Now, if you're looking for something to just do trail riding and you think, hey, I want my kids to be on a smaller bike with a 33-inch seat height like the 150R, take a look at the YZ85. It's equivalent, it's almost same exact horsepower, but you actually get a lighter bike. Yeah, it's a 2-stroke, but it also comes with a 6-speed transmission versus a 5-speed transmission. So if you're doing just basic trail riding, this is a great option for anybody that's looking for a bike for their teenager and just wants to kind of get them into the motocross racing and doesn't have to place in a specific class. Now, the second bike that we're losing this year is probably the most popular trail riding bike on the market right now, which is the Honda CRF 250F. Now, this is probably one of the best-selling bikes in my store, period, and unfortunately we're losing it. But don't be discouraged, we are gaining from it. Instead of the 250F, we now get the Honda CRF 300F. Now with the 300F comes some upgrades. We gained an oil cooler assembly. We have a free skid plate on it. We have a 300cc instead of a 250cc. We gain a 6-speed transmission versus a 5-speed transmission. And we don't really compromise on anything gaining all this on this bike. The only changes in the price, it's going from $300 freight to $600 freight, with still coming in at MSRP of $49.99. So Honda's really not killing anybody trying to make this bike. It's just all free upgrades for us. So if you're sad about the CRF 150R going, leave me a comment below. Tell me if you have one. I'd love to know all the people that have one and for you guys to speak out and say that you got one, because in my area here in Utah, we don't really see them all that much, and all the other dealerships don't really see them all that much. They're kind of considered a unicorn for all of us dealers. So if you have one, let me know, and just know, hold on to it if you got a 150R, because it's going to be worth a little bit of money coming up into the future. It's going to be one of those bikes with an excellent resale value. And then also let me know what you think in the comments below about the new 300F and all that we have to gain from it, because there's really no downside from Honda to go this route and give us a bigger bike. It puts us in the same category that a lot of people talk to me about, where KTM has a 300cc and they love that, and it kind of gets KTM more sales than Honda. So I think that's kind of the path where we're headed down right now. So give me a like, give me a follow, and then let me know in the comments below what you guys think about this news, if it's good, if it's bad. If you have any ideas of what you want to move forward to, let me know, and I'll see if I can find you an equivalent to the 150R. Thanks, guys.